Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Avinanda and today I'm talking to you about the resources that I use to teach my son or my student. The homeschool style that we are mainly following is Charlotte Mason, who was a very wise lady who lived 100 years ago, but her teachings still hold good even today. There are many reasons that attracted me towards Charlotte Mason homeschooling, but some of them are like she considers education as a whole feast, which includes reading, writing, poetry, music, singing, dancing, physical movement. But above all, she includes God or spirituality at large. She also talks a lot about, in fact, living books, and she also she emphasizes a lot more on learning from the nature and being in the nature. And now let's look into the resources which I have been using and I feel are pretty crucial to understand this beautiful philosophy of education. Now these are the primary resources that I use to learn how to teach my son. So as you can see, there are 6 volumes. These are written by Charlotte Mason. And these are full of her wise words, and which I personally feel it's great to read through them and to understand the philosophy correctly, to understand her method properly. But if you're just starting and want to know a little bit about Charlotte Mason and not sure if you want to go and invest on these books, you can also listen to the podcast. The one I mainly recommend would be A Delectable Education. These are the ladies who really help to understand the philosophy from starting from the very base. So I would definitely recommend their podcast to listen to start with. Now they also have been providing the consulting service where they help us to schedule the subjects, select books for each subjects and anything related to a particular student. I like to take the service few months before I start the school. That way I can gather all the resources those are needed. Now Charlotte Mason was a British woman and her philosophy is completely based on Bible, but we chose Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam, and the philosophy of hers and that of the scriptures go very well with each other. We also use these 2 scriptures for the literature study for my student, which I'll be sharing soon in an upcoming video. Also, to go with these 2 scriptures, I like to read through Homeschooling Krishna's Children by Arudha Devi Dasi, and it's really helps to understand how to do homeschooling in a Vedic culture or a Gurukul way. It is very helpful and a good resource to go through. Apart from these books, I also like to go through books by Karen Andreola, book like Charlotte Mason Companion. It is a wonderful book to start with. If you don't want to invest into those 6 volumes, you can very well go into this book. This is a condensed version of those 6 volumes, and it can help you to decide whether this philosophy resonates with you before you make the investment into those volumes. Now, apart from this book, she has also written Pocketful of Pines, Lessons at Blackberry Inn, and very recently, Mother Culture. Now, I haven't gone through all these books yet. I have somewhat gone through Pocketful of Pines, where she talks about the children, how they are in the nature and things like that, and also the Charlotte Mason Companion. Now, apart from these resources, there are many other resources which are available to teach how to do homeschooling in a Charlotte Mason way, but you need not get intimidated because you need not learn everything at once before you start your homeschooling. You can always continue your learning journey while you are doing your homeschooling. So you read a little piece of it every day, digest and absorb the idea, understand it properly, and come back again for some more, and that way by and by you will understand the philosophy very beautifully. I personally believe that these resources can also be used by non-homeschooling parents, as they are beautifully guiding us through the path of parenting, and they can be used for any children whether they are homeschooled or not. I hope this video was helpful to you. I will see you soon with another one. Till then, you take care. Bye.